Hi, today I just want to quickly show you how I'm changing these silver frames that I have to this kind of vintage gold finish to match with the rest of my decor, and I did it just in a minute using this rub and buff that I've used for some other furniture makeovers. So as I've mentioned in one of my earlier videos, you can get these in a variety of colors. I needed the gold leaf. So all I did was just clean the frame with a paper towel, quickly, just to make sure there's no dust. Wipe that off and make sure so that the rub and buff will properly adhere to the surface. And then I just get another paper towel and put some of the rub and buff on it. And then I would recommend wearing gloves. So let me just switch hands to my right hand and I start applying. So as you can see, I'm just going to rub it in. So just keep rubbing until you get the color that you're looking for. There we go. And that's it. So rub it in until it's all buffed. And I'll just do that around the whole frame. And that's how I quickly change the color of my frames, or you can use this on any furniture, wood, metal, to the decor that you're looking for. Thanks. Bye.